Hi, I'm Mariana Arrobas. I'm a veterinarian. I'm also a UWC alum from Atlantic in '93. I've been involved with the Portuguese National Committee since I finished my degree and moved back to Portugal in 2000. And since 2020, I've been with the CNC, the Committee of National Committees, and I'm currently the new chair of the CNC as of the 1st of January of 2024. My older brother is actually a UWC alum as well, from Adriatic in '91, and we all found out about UWC more or less at the same time from the daughter of some friends. I also became very interested in having a similar experience and ended up getting placed at Atlantic. I think I was really lucky with my generation, with the time that we were at UWC, because we had just enough technology to be able to type up essays on a computer, but there was no social media, there was no email. So we were really completely immersed in the experience once we arrived at the school. I remember the big difference that it was calling teachers by their first name instead of being a Mr. Or a Miss, and that proximity really helped to develop relationships of support. Those moments are all treasures that I keep. It was an amazing experience, and one that still influences every aspect of my life nowadays, from the work that I do, from the voluntary work that I do, obviously connected to UWC, even to the way that I have raised my children. And I'm a mother of 7 children, and our eldest daughter is a UWC alum as well. Education as a force to unite peoples and to work towards peace and a sustainable future stems from educating ourselves to have a bigger heart and to have better understanding of others, of their needs, and of how we can help them and how we can all make the future better.